Good morning, everybody. My name's Tyler Case, and I'm here in the Weather Watcher studio with your Sunday morning forecast for this Sunday morning, February 3rd, 2012. If you take a walk outside today, you may see a scene similar to this, but just with a little less snow. Now, we actually do have some slight chances of some more snow later on in this week, but we'll get to some more on that later. First, we're going to go on to a special event that Weather Watcher is going to be covering. It is actually tomorrow, February 4th. It is called Do the Math: Why Climate Matters and What You Can Do About It. It is a talk by author Bill McKibben. He wrote some books about climatology. It's in the Rutgers Student Center, the multi-purpose room at 7:30 in the morning. Coverage can be found at rutv.rutgers.edu. Now, as we move on to our headlines for this week, we actually saw 0.2 of an inch of snow last night, so just a little bit of a light dusting. But again, we will have multiple chances of snow later on this week and some below average temperatures that are yet to come, but they will arrive by the end of this week. So we take a look at our morning almanac, morning low of 26 degrees. So you can see we're above our average low of 21. Our average high of 39. We're going to get close to that today, but I'm not sure we're actually going to touch it. Record 60 for your high, -1 for your low. Sunrise at 7:05 in the morning, and it will set at 5:19 p.m. this evening. So we take a look at our lows around the region for overnight this morning. 21 in Providence, 24 down there, or up there in Newark, 26 in Camden, 27 in Baltimore. 18 degrees in State College, Pennsylvania, and Ithaca, New York, 9 degrees. That is our cold spot for our lows. So we move on to our forecasted highs for today around the region. Right at that freezing point, 32 degrees in Providence, 31 in Newark, just below it, Camden, 35, Baltimore, Maryland, 37 degrees. It's going to be our warm spot for today, 28 degrees in State College, and 29 degrees up there in Ithaca, New York. So we move on to the satellite. You can see this low pressure system that just moved offshore. That's actually what brought us our snow last night. If you were looking out the window, you may have seen those light showers going on between around 9 p.m. up to about midnight. That came from this system right here. That has now moved out of harm's way for us anyways. We also have another low-pressure system developing out over the Great Lakes that it's going to make its way eastward and bring us our chances of snow for later on today and mainly into tonight, And the rest of the nation, high-pressure systems keeping things clear in the Midwest and down into the southeast. But as I said earlier, as we bring things a little closer to home, that is actually not the case. Slight chance of some afternoon snow today with a high of 33 degrees. So if you're watching that Super Bowl and take a look out the window, I would not be surprised if you saw a little bit of light snow falling, winds out of the north at 3 to 5 miles per hour. As we move on into tonight's forecast, a low of 22 degrees, cooler, another slight chance of snow, winds out of the west at 8 to 13 miles per hour, picking up as that frontal system I was talking about moves a little closer, and they'll really will peak on Monday, a high of 33 degrees, windy, slight chance of some light flurries, winds out of the west at 13 to 16 miles per hour, gusting all the way up to 26 miles per hour. On into Monday night, a low of 21 degrees, yet another chance of some snow, winds out of the west at 5 to 8 miles per hour. And as we backtrack a little bit, we're going to take a look at our women's tennis sportscast. They are taking on Delaware today at the Atlantic Club in Manasquan, New Jersey. Temperature of 34 degrees at that start time of 12 noon. A chance of some snow, so that could make things a little bit interesting. Winds out of the north-northeast at 8 miles per hour. And as I step out of your extended forecast, you can see a pair of 33s for today and Monday, dropping down to the low 20s in the evening. Chance of snow today, and another chance of snow on Monday, but more so on into Monday night. Tuesday's looking dry, but Tuesday night we could see some more snow showers lingering on into Wednesday. That's when those temperatures start to rise, 34 on Tuesday, up into the mid to upper 30s for Wednesday and Thursday. Chance of some wintry mix on Wednesday, that's when things start to get a little messy, and then we could even get really close into the 40s for Thursday with mostly sunny skies dropping down into the upper 20s. Now make sure you guys stay tuned to Weather Watcher, and there's plenty of ways you can do that. First, you can check out RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. We're also on Facebook, like our page at RU Weather Watcher. If you use Twitter, you can tweet us at our handle RUTVWW, and you can also find us online at rutv.rutgers.edu. My name's Tyler Case. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great week.